What is going on, everybody? Today we're doing another walk and talk and tour here in Costa Rica. We're in Cartago. We're going to go to the municipal market right here, walking around, and there's a ruins up here, cool little site we can go check out. We're going to go up there. Guys, before we start walking in this tour here in Costa Rica, let's talk about how to get to Cartago. So to get to Cartago, you'll likely start your vacation right there at the SJO airport, and then head east along any of these roads right here. You'll go through that little town there, Tres Rios, and continue. This route takes about an hour. You'll get up here and then head in towards the center of town, which is right there. And that will bring you right to this intersection right here. Look, there's an M Express right there. Guys, we're going to cross the road. We're going to cross the road. Oh, Frogger. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe. Right here on YouTube, leave me a like, leave me a comment, say hello. We do these videos live. We just walk and shoot the stuff, you know what I mean? We just kick it here in Costa Rica. So we're going to start this here at the market, the Mercado, the municipal market here in Costa Rica and Cartago. They got a lot of fruit here, man. They got a lot of fruit here. It's a really cool spot. Gracias. Man, I'm just knocking stuff over. I'm a Sasquatch. We're going to walk through there in a second. I just did a walking video for the other channel, guys, where I don't say anything. It's called Ambient Costa Rica. And I don't say anything in those videos. I just walk and point the camera. And that's actually kind of how I do my reconnaissance, you know, like I do a little recce for where I want to film, what I want to see while I do these tour videos, because I'm talking in these. But there's still no script. I'm just making stuff up. So if I say something, you guys can correct me, or if you know anything about any of this stuff that we see in these videos, let me know in the comments. So look at up there. There's some mountains up there. So guys, you may notice that people around here are wearing jackets and sweaters. I didn't even bring one. Maybe a misstep on my part. It's kind of chilly here. It's kind of like misty. Look at the skies. The skies are angry. There's a train station right up here. Right ahead there. You can see the train tracks right here. I don't know if the train is like operational. I remember reading a article from like 100 years ago from some newspaper in the States, and it talked about how there was a train that went out to Limon. And somebody was like writing about it. You actually had to read, which is unfortunate. They didn't have like YouTube videos. You could just sit on your bed and brain rot. I don't like reading. So let's go through here, guys. It might be a little loud. It might be a little loud in here. We'll check it out though. And guys, I am taking your advice. I'll stop and look at prices of stuff as I can. If there's nobody, if I'm not impeding anybody, you know. I don't want to be like that guy. There's fish. So Cartago is like a loud, busy town, but it's cool. I like it. I like stopping through here. I actually just had casado in El Tejar, I think it's called, a little town outside here. And man, it was a huge plate of casado. I'm gonna go back there and actually film a video, I think, one day, because it was just so good. So this market's kind of arranged in a grid. So you walk down these hallways, and there's vendors. There's vendors around. I think these guys were like printing stuff. They can actually print stuff. That's cool. Look at that. There's cheese. There's cheese. If I bought a big block of cheese, it would be delicious, I'm sure, and I would spend more time on the toilet. Something like that, man. I don't know. So this is kind of cool here. There's like these bags of corn and soy and among other things. I'm not a cook, I'm not a chef. My expertise is actually in nothing, so I'm just walking around. I don't know what those are. Those are coconuts. That's cool. Oh, those are some nice looking onions. Look at those. Those are very photogenic onions. Wow. There's some more fruit markets down there. Let's walk this way. Let's go this way. I don't know, whatever. Let's go out here and look, actually, because we're not going to come back this way. There's more fruit out here. There's the water apples in the middle there. Those are delicious. They're like a pear, but an apple. I like them. And there's some big jackfruit. Oh, there's some jackfruit there. So there's the train station, and you can see down here it's very busy, right? Like a lot of traffic. Cartago, I find, often has a lot of traffic going on. There's a shoe place. Let's go this way. There you go, shoes. $20 for shoes, it says. So here's some meat. Here's a meat store. Hello, man. What's that? There's some ground beef. So that's $10 for a kilogram of ground beef. That's your reference. Hola. Hello, hello. What else is there? All kinds of meat. So come check these guys out. They're super friendly, apparently. I dig it, man. Everybody's headbutts and high fives. That's what I'm all about. Chicken and stuff. Jewelry. All your accoutrements in there you can adorn yourself with to make yourself more presentable for the opposite sex or something. I don't know. I don't do that really. Where are we going to go now? I don't know, man. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Here's a little cafe. Oh, that's cool. There's another one. There's a cafe with, there's one guy over here. They got casado, it looks like, something like that. There was a fruit stand over here that had tons of fruit. It's not this one. This guy has tons of veggies. I like veggies. I think he's down here, the fruit guy. This guy's got potatoes. You know, put them in a stew. What's on over here? Ah, this is the fruit guy right here. Let's do a slow walk by here. Let's do a slow walk by the fruit guy, fruit stand. Everybody likes fruits. There you go. There's some mangoes. There is the water apples. Oh, look at this. Blackberries by the scoop. Excellent, excellent. So check that stand out when you come through Cartago. That's a good stand. There's a good stand right here too for fruits. Oh, but actually there's a huge fruit area outside. We're gonna go check that out. That's our next destination. That's our next stop. More fruits, man. So many fruits. I think Cartago is like they grow stuff around here because it's so green. It's green year round, you know. There's more food thing stuff. You know, I like food too. What's this? Dog food. Is that what that is? Yeah, that's for dogs. That's for dogs. I always wondered about eating dog food as just like a cost-efficient way to get protein. But then it stopped there, just that wondering. I took it no further, guys. Don't worry. How long have we been going for? Oh man, we've been going for 8 minutes. Okay, we gotta get over to the ruins, man. There was a party going on over there, but I will say it's kind of windy out there. It's kind of windy out in the ruins. So there's the indoor part of the market. And here's the big outdoor fruit area. We'll kind of do the overhead view. Look at how big it is, man. It's huge. It's huge. So it goes all the way that way. Look at that. All the way there, and then all the way down there too. That's so cool. Awesome, awesome. Now in here, I think there's like a little indoor shopping kind of thing in there too. And there's a coffee shop down at the end. I've had coffee there before. It was pretty good. Here we go. Let's go back across the road here. Let's go back across the road. Try not to get hit. That's what I'm always doing. As I totally tourist myself across the road. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry. All right. Now we got to go down to the ruins. So the ruins are, before it gets too windy, it's like a church that was built hundreds of years ago. I don't know which century it was built in. I'm going to guess. I'm just going to take a guess and say 1400s. Just a guess. I'm not certain. And an earthquake kind of brought the roof down, and now it's like, it's a monument of sorts. Guys trying to sell green leafy stuff. Yeah, this guy's, I mean, man, whew, potholes, I wouldn't. Guys, you know what I actually want to do? I actually want to take you over here real quick, because there's a really cool, we'll let this guy go by. He's got inertia. He's got weight. And I'm going. Okay, so over here there's some cool graffiti. Here, I'll run this part because this is boring. Boring. Okay, but there is cool right here. Look at this big wall art. Very nice, very nice. And it's interesting what kind of caught my eye, what kind of caught my attention is like the graffiti artists are actually like respectful of the fine art on the wall. I mean, that's great, you know? How often do you see that? But whoever did this did a really good job. I like it. I'm not big into art and stuff. I don't know, but it just looks cool, and thank you. Now, here's something that I saw earlier. These are, that looks like Chinese writing. So I wonder if they're like celebrating something, Chinese New Year, I don't know. Usually that's what I hear, guys. I'm not a cultured person. I'm not a culture guy, so like I hear people say Chinese New Year all the time. So I'm just assuming that's kind of what's going on now. In this alley here, guys, if you're in Cartago and you need your fix of carbohydrates, here you go. You got Pizza Hut, right? You got Taco Bell, right? For the aforementioned time on toilet. And there's a Subway right here too. So you can always do Subway. And there is just a humongous Costa Rica flag. It's absolutely humongo. Oh man, I'm gonna cross the road. I'm gonna cross because I can't. All right, here we go. Here's the ruins. Here's the ruins, guys. Whew. Made it. Made it alive. Man, that's what I'm always looking for. So here's the church that's the ruins. Now, when I came here, I was like, last time I was here, it was closed. This time again, it's closed. So, you know, you can see there's like this tarp on the windows and stuff like that. We'll actually walk over there and look inside because the gates are kind of open. But it's a really cool site. Nice garden outside here. Well, look in. There's a nice garden inside too. I think it's a nicer garden actually inside. See everybody out here taking photos. Yo, that lady's wearing a toque. And the guy's wearing a toque. That's awesome, dude. I never thought I'd see people wearing toques in Costa Rica before I ever came here. So here's the garden. There you go. It's nice, man. I don't know when it's going to be open. Every time I've been here, it's been closed. Those doors over there have been closed. So I don't know when it opens. It said on Google Maps it was open until 4:30. But maybe it's undergoing some kind of repairs, I don't know. So this is like a big shopping area down here. And in fact, so you can see the parking, guys. There is, it's like an app, I think you download and you can pay for parking. There's numbers on the sidewalk that associate to the parking spot. But actually just up where that white car turned, that's where I park when I come down here. There's a private parking lot there and it's $2 an hour to park there. I just prefer to do that because I don't know how that app works. I don't have it. And what's over here? Oh, look, there's a KFC over there right beside the McDonald's. There's another McDonald's up by the market too. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I just had coffee at McDonald's. Because before I do these videos, I gotta do two things. Get caffed up and get nicked up. So, I saw the golden arches, man. Look at that, that's a nice photo. I'm gonna take a photo of that one right there. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. And then there's this, they're doing something here. So what, I don't know what is it? It's almost February. Is there a festival going on or something like that? I don't know. Man, see how windy it is here? Wowzers. And I just came from Perez Zeledon, which is like that way. And I'll zoom in there. Oh man. Up those mountains, you're basically driving through clouds, right? And it was cold, man. I drive with the windows open, but like I had the heat on full blast, which kind of like doesn't make any sense, but it got cold up there. I was almost cutting through my shirt. Guys, we'll finish this video off with a little walk around of this very nice statue with a fountain and a pond. There you go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that walk and talking tour here in Cartago, just outside of San Jose. And pigeons. Excellent. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube, guys. Leave me a comment as always. And thanks for watching. Bye now.